Okay, good morning 12th class. Today our topic is electrochemical cell and Gibbs energy of the reaction. Now previously for Gibbs energy we use word Gibbs free energy, but now instead of Gibbs free energy it's simple Gibbs energy of the reaction. Now that one is represented by capital G. Okay, in this also again you have to learn two formulas, and on that basis we'll solve numericals are more important. Now just see, in this one first is delta rg naught is equal to minus nfe naught cell. Okay, and where this f is Faraday's constant, and Faraday's constant value, that one is 96500 coulomb. Okay, this value you have to learn, because in exam maybe it's given or maybe it's not given, so you have to learn this value. It's a 96500 coulomb. Okay, now this one is one formula. E naught cell, either it's given to you directly or otherwise you have to calculate by simple E cathode minus E anode, and this n is number of electron कि कितने उसने ट्रांसफ़र करें. ओके, नाउ जस्ट सी नेक्स्ट वन इज अनदर फार्मूला डेल्टा आर जी नॉट इज इक्वल टू माइनस आर टी एल एन के सी. Okay, this ln is natural log. Okay, when you replace this, okay, so this one is replaced by minus replaced by 2.303 rt log. Okay, and this kc, that one is equilibrium constant for concentration. Okay, instead of c, okay, we can use p also if pressure is given. Okay, so instead of this you can write this formula. This one is more important, that is delta rg naught is equal to minus 2.303 rt log kc. This one, on this basis we'll solve numerical. Now the first type is, just see, that one is calculate delta rg naught for the reaction, and reaction is mg plus cu2 positive. It gives mg2 positive plus cu. This one is a simple redox reaction given to you. Okay, that E naught cell is given 2.71 volt. Okay, Faraday's value is also given, that one is 96500 coulomb per mole. Okay, either it's a simple coulomb or either if we are talking about per mole, so this one is per mole. Okay, so this one is unit, it's given to you. Now just check, you have to calculate delta rg naught. We have two formulas, rt log kc wala, and another one is minus nf E naught cell. So E naught cell is given to you. With the help of this equation you can calculate n. F is also given, so directly put values and your answer. Okay, so delta rg naught, just see in this one how to calculate n. Just check number of electron. So mg become mg positive, loss of 2 electron. cu2 positive becomes cu, gain of 2 electron, means number of electrons are equal, that one is 2. So n is equal to 2. This one is, okay, given, you have to write, that is E naught cell is given minus, this one is 2.71 volt, that F is given 96500 coulomb per mole, and n is equal to 2. Okay, with the help of this equation you can calculate 2. Now put values. This one is minus 2. Okay, 96500 instead of F, and E naught cell is 2.71. After calculating this, your answer is minus 523030 joule per mole, or if you want to you can convert it into kilojoule per mole, but it's totally up to you because it's not a demand of your question. So simple jo pucha hua, so you can leave this answer up to this portion only, joule per mole. Okay, now another type we have, that one is, just see, calculate the maximum work that can be obtained from the Daniell cell. It's an electrochemical cell normally. Now this Zn becomes Zn2 positive, it's a salt bridge. Cu2 positive becomes Cu. Just see, this one is a simple representation of electrochemical, or either you can say it's a Daniell cell. Now E naught Zn2 positive oblique Zn is given to you. This one is also given for copper. Just see this side, left hand side it's oxidation occur, right hand side it's a reduction occur. Okay, and you have to calculate what maximum work that can be obtained from. And whenever we are talking about maximum work, okay, so that one is, we are talking about delta G, मतलब हम गिब्स फ्री एनर्जी की बात, हम गिब्स एनर्जी की बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, तो you have to calculate delta G. Okay, rg naught, how to calculate? Simple, minus nf E naught cell. Okay, but in this one E naught is not given to you, okay, but we can calculate with which formula? Delta E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Okay, now just see, this one is simple. First of all, you can write that equation here. That one is Zn plus Cu2 positive. That Zn becomes Zn2 positive and Cu2 positive after gain of electron become Cu. Okay, now number of electron is 2. It means N is 2. E naught cell you have to calculate. Formula E cathode. You can write like this. It's a E cathode minus E anode. Right minus left. Okay, so cathode side copper 1 reduction occur right side, and anode is zinc 1, that one is on left side. Okay, so oxidation and reduction, oxidation reduction. Now put values. It's a 0.34 minus in bracket it's a minus 0.76, minus become plus. Solve it. After solving this, your answer is 1.10 volt. That one is E naught cell. Now N is with you, value of F you know, that E naught cell is with you. Now put value and calculate delta Rg naught. Now this one is delta Rg naught, that is equal to minus NF E naught cell. N is equal to 2 F96500 into that E naught cell is 1.10. After solving this, your answer is 212300 Coulomb volt. The value of E naught is volt, F is Coulomb. The value is Coulomb volt. And remember one thing, 1 Coulomb volt is equal to 1 joule. Okay, so either you can write CV or instead of this you can write joule. Okay, unit of delta. Okay, Rg naught. So this one is your value of Rg naught. Okay, 12th class. Now before I'll start or I'll explain another type of numerical to you. Okay, before that I'll explain log and anti-log to you. Okay, now although log and anti-log both values for log it's given to you in exam, but anti-log value sometime it's given or sometime not given. So generally in exam, okay, कई बार क्या होता है हम एंटी लॉग में उसे छोड़ सकते हैं, बट आई टेल यू वन थिंग, यू शुड नो हाउ टू सी एंटी लॉग. Okay, so now just see how to see log. Now in this one, suppose log 10 is given. Okay, so log 10 वैल्यू लगभग सबको याद होती है. आई थिंक log 10 इज इक्वल टू 1. log 10 1 है, बट नाउ क्वेश्चन अराइजेस कि 1 आया कैसे. ओके, दैट आई टेल यू कि क्या कहते हैं, फ्रॉम वेयर दैट वैल्यू ऑफ log 10 इज इक्वल टू 1 इज देयर. तो वो कैसे आई है, दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन. नाउ जस्ट सी इन केस ऑफ log 10 देखेंगे कैसे. इन केस ऑफ log, okay, remember one thing, you have to see two values. Okay, starting 2 digit you have to see in third one. Okay, either your 2 digit is with decimal, without decimal, या बीच में decimal हो सकता है, but you have to see 2 digit. Now just see here 2 digits are there. और हाँ, one more thing, that one is first digit is not equal to 0. पहला वाला नंबर होना चाहिए, that one will not equal to 0. वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, now just see, तो log 10, तो we can write like this, log 10, that one is 10.00. it's the same thing. Okay, so you have to see value of this log 10 2 digit है, you have to see value of this in third one, means you have to see value of 10 in 0. Now just see, you have this table, it's a logarithm table. Now in this one check numbers given 10 11 12 so on, it's up to 99 is given to you. Now just see here, it's a 0 1 2 3 4, this one is given. Now you have to see value of 10 in 0. check value of 10 in 0 is equal to 0. Okay, this one, so you have to do one thing, what, just see, that one is log 10 value is equal to 0 0 0, खूब सारे 0 दे रखे हैं. Okay, तो now just see your value is equal to 0 0. Okay, you can write like this. Now whatever number is given to you, you have to do one thing कि उससे सबसे पहले स्टार्टिंग में क्या लगा दो, decimal. Whatever value is given, you have to put decimal in front. Done. Now after that check before decimal how many digits are given. I'm not talking about number, I'm talking about digit. So just see how many digit, 1 and 2. Okay, तो whatever number of digit is given to you minus 1. अगर 2 डिजिट दे रखी हैं तो एक नंबर क्या करेंगे, माइनस कर देंगे. तो 2 minus 1, तो that is equal to 1. तो you have to write like this. Okay, 1.00 like this. Okay, that's why log 10, value of log 10 is equal to 1. Now just see, another one is, suppose log 10,000 is given to you, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now in this case you have to do one thing again, same starting 2 digit in third one. तो log 10 in 0, that you know हमने अभी अभी वैल्यू देखी है, that is equal to 0 0 0. now put decimal in front, वो हमने रख लिया. now check before decimal how many digit. अब decimal कहाँ लगेगा जब कहीं भी नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे it means before decimal how many digit are there, 1 2 3 4 5 digit. 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. तो log 10,000, that one is equal to, value of log 10,000, that is equal to 4. Okay, this one is clear to you. Okay, now next thing is, suppose this one is given 2.34. okay, now in this one, okay, again either decimal is present in between और उसके बीच में है या बाद में है, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. you have to see starting 2 digit and in third one, तो means you have to see value of 23 in 4. तो just you will see value of 23 in 4. now just see, this one is 23 and value of 23 in 4, this one is 3692, this one is 4, so it's a 3692. okay, so this one is, you have to write 36, this one is 3692, 3692. okay, this value, now put decimal here, done. now point before decimal how many digit, it's a 1 digit, so 1 minus 1, that one is equal to 0. okay, so like this you can see log. okay, one more type, this one is log. suppose we have 4 2 4 2 4 3. okay, suppose this one. now when this 4 digits are given, how to see log, you have to see starting 2 digit in third one and mean difference of fourth number. so first of all you have to see 42 in 4, so just see 42 in 4. now check 42, this one is 42, 0 1 2 3 4, so it's a 6274. so just see, you have to see 6274, 6274 and mean difference of 3. now just see here, it's a mean difference of 3. here this side mean difference is given, the mean difference in 3, that one is equal to 3. so check, your number is 6274, 42 in 4, this value, and mean difference is 3, so you have to add this value. okay, now just see, this one is 726. before this put decimal, and before decimal how many digit, this one is 1, 1 is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, that one is equal to 0. okay, this one is your log. okay, now remember one thing, that in case of log, whenever things are given in multiply, अगर कोई भी चीज़ multiply में दे रखी है तो log में आने के बाद वो कैसी हो जाएगी, plus, and if it is given in divide, okay, so that one will become negative along with log. okay, now suppose this type of values is given to you in power. okay, so for this you have to convert it like this, whatever is the power along with their sign, it comes in front, and this one become log 10. now check, this one is 2 and log 10 is equal to 1, so your value is 2. okay, so you can solve it also. this one is how to see log. okay, now anti-log I'll explain in next video, इसी का ही second part है. okay, so I'll explain in that only. okay, thank you.